Dear students, now we are going to discuss about India and non-aligned movement. In this presentation, we will discuss about the objectives of non-aligned movement, characteristics of non-aligned movement, formation of non-aligned movement, summits of non-aligned movement, role of India in the progress of non-aligned movement. Introduction. The non-aligned movement was formed during the Cold War period. The movement was started with the initiative of the former Yugoslavia president Josip Broz Tito. A non-aligned movement, shortly known as NAM, is an organization of states which did not seek to formally align themselves with either the United States of America and Soviet Union. Objectives of non-aligned movement. It has sought to create an independent path in world politics. It insists the right of independent, the struggle against imperialism and colonialism, restructuring of the international economic order. These are the main objectives of non-aligned movement. Characteristics of non-aligned movement. Non-aligned movement does not have a formal constitution and permanent secretariat. All members have equal importance within the organization. The summit, conference of the head of the states, usually held in every 3 years. The administration of the organization is the responsibility of the country holding the chair, a position that rotates at every summit. Formation of NAM. The basic concept for the group originated in 1955 at the times of Asia-Africa Bandung Conference. On 1st September 1961, the head of 28 nations assembled in Belgrade and formally launched the non-aligned movement. Non-aligned movement was launched under the leadership of Josip Broz Tito of Yugoslavia, Gamal Abdul Nasser of Egypt, Jawaharlal Nehru of India, Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana, and Sukarno of Indonesia. Summits of non-aligned movement. The first summit took place in Belgrade in the year 1961. The second summit was held at Cairo in the year 1964. The third summit took place in Lusaka in 1970. The fourth summit was held in Algiers in 1973. The fifth summit took place in Colombo in the year 1976. The sixth summit took place in Havana in the year 1979. The seventh summit was held in New Delhi in the year 1983. The eighth summit was held in Harare in 1986. The ninth summit took place at Belgrade in 1989. 10th summit was held in Jakarta in the year 1992. 11th summit was held in Cartagena in 1995. 12th summit took place in Durban in the year 1998. 13th summit took place in Kuala Lumpur in 2003. 14th summit was held in Havana in 2006. 15th summit was held in Sharm el Sheikh in 2009. 16th summit was held in Tehran in the year 2012. 17th summit was held in Margarita in 2016. 18th summit took place in Bagu in the year 2019. Role of India in the progress of non-aligned movement. Jawaharlal Nehru was one of the founding fathers of non-aligned movement. He played an important role to mobilize the developing countries for non-aligned movement. India organized the 7th summit at New Delhi During 1983 to 1986, as the chairman of the movement, India remained actively engaged in consolidating and strengthening the unity of non-aligned movement. On the eve of the 15th Non-Aligned Movement Summit held in Egypt, India's Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh underscored the relevance of non-aligned movement in the post-Cold War era. He said India will play its part in strengthening the non-aligned movement. India would build international consensus to eradicate terrorism with the help of non-aligned movement countries. Conclusion. The non-aligned movement is consistently opposed to the disarmament and nuclear expansion. It consists nearly two-thirds of the UN members and comprises 55% of the world population. Many of US and USSR former allied partners or became a member of non-aligned movement. The non-aligned movement is an international platform of developing and underdeveloping countries. Thank you.